The way that family has changed for me the most, I think, was after, being in a band for a good amount of time and being on the road. It was like I started to understand what it would be like to have a brother, somebody that you were with like all the time, that you would have to figure out together, like if you could pull your money enough to eat or not, stuff like that. That really like changed. I started to understand like how you could somebody could drive you absolutely nuts that you would never in a million years want to spend time with them, but you spend time with them all the time and you love them, but you're like, this person, I'm going to kill them. You know what I mean? That was the first time that I kind of understood that duality,